Listen, before I start this video, let me just say Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my future subscribers. We're gonna take 2024 and start it off with a bang. You hear me? So it's gonna be nothing but positivity all year long. Get all that negative energy out your way, whether it's your job, people, your thought processes, because I know that's my issue, but you know, that's a story for another day. And we're just gonna go ahead and do what we need to do for 2024 to be a wonderful year. So again, Happy New Year, folks. Now let's get into this hair. Okay, I haven't used my Even medium brown spray in a long time. I actually stopped using her, but I'm like, I want this to look really good, and I'm hoping it'll look really good, so let's go ahead and spray this. I don't want to spray too much. Just want it just right. Sometimes I feel like when I stopped using it because I felt like when I was using it, the lace was like coming off too light, if that makes sense. So maybe I was going too harsh on it. I don't know. I know this lace is not looking right on this camera at all. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry. He said that girl is glueless, but the adjustable strap doesn't have like anything to tighten it, and it's not terribly loose, but it's not terribly tight either. So I don't know. We'll see. The smell to this is weird. We're gonna see. See what I'm saying? I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, I did that. Okay. I was talking so much shit about that damn lace tint spray. Let's see if we can do this glueless, okay? Because I just want to see if I could do this glueless for real. Hair back so we can cut this ear tabs. Now, I know you're noticing when I'm putting this, messing with this wig, it looks like it's tingling, but you gotta understand when it comes to these colored synthetic wigs, the 1-1Bs are always better. Always better, baby. The minute they start messing with the color and doing a whole bunch of other stuff, it takes away from the wig just a tad bit, but not to the point where we can't get her together the way we need to. Some spray and all that other sprit stuff, and some heat to her. Shh. Fried dye her so she can go ahead and look the way she needs to look. Then we good, baby. Alright, let's go ahead and cut these tabs. Now I'm about to cut this lace, but let's have a little conversation real quick. You ever seen these wig influencers say glueless, yet and still they still use some kind of adhesive to keep this damn wig down? So does glueless necessarily mean glueless? I mean, it ain't boho glue, but it's still some kind of glue, right? You would think I was high and I just smoked something, but I didn't. Just asking the question. Don't come for me. Just asking the question. Okay, let's get back to this cutting of the lace part. Drop the mic. That's the end. This is the end of the tutorial. I don't even have to do more. I don't have to do anything else. You see it. You see it. Damn it, Outre. Yeah, the GOAT, okay? The GOAT. Alright, now that the lace is cut, you can see what she's looking like right over here. She don't look too bad. I am going to take a couple of baby hairs out in the front, and I'm gonna do what I always see my girl Cara Rashad. She's another wig influencer. She be swooshing her baby hairs, and I'm gonna try. I tried it one time with one wig. I forgot her name, but that wig was everything. Oh, child. And the swooshing was swooshing. You feel me? I don't want to do no daggone baby hairs. I don't like doing baby hairs with a bust down middle part anyway. So we going to just swoosh, and try to keep this down and see what I get. You feel me? First of all, let me say I started off last year with an Outre wig, and I'm ending this year, ending 2003, starting 2004 with this airtied Outre human hair blended wig. Now, these are my opinions. I already put her all the way together, so this is just my thought process on her. She is everything a synthetic wig should be. The only con that I have with her is because she is a colored wig, she might go ahead and tangle on you a little bit. But other than that, she's everything the cardstock says she is. She's lightweight. She comes pre-plugged, HD, not even HD lace. What kind of lace is this? HD vanish lace. I mean, my baby. Okay. So would I buy her again? I sure would. I don't think I would freaking hesitate. The price range, I ain't gonna lie. She was like $70, but she has no tracks, baby. Like she has no track. Like there's no track. You feel no tracks. There's no tracks. What? So is she worth it? Yeah. She's worth a little $70, baby. Get your coins up. Get your baby daddy or whoever to go ahead and spoil you just a little bit for the new year, because she is everything. Where would I wear her to? Well, I'm on my way to a New Year's party. Looking very Barbie-ish, if I might say so myself. Oh, shoot. Trying to show y'all a little bit more than what need be. Y'all ain't paid for that, okay? Until YouTube starts coming out their pockets, then maybe I might show some more, but I didn't pay for that, so hold that to myself. I absolutely love this wig. There's nothing bad that I can say about this wig besides the tangling. And other than that, just bring a brush with you if you can and just brush her out. But she is gorgeous. In the 11B, she probably is chef's kiss. Thank you guys so very much for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video with a synthetic baddie like this one, and baby, oh, see that, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, thank you so very much for watching. Continue to watch throughout the year, because I still have more wigs to show you. The way Outre is dropping these wigs, baby. Just stay tuned, folks. Alright, love you. Bye.